Yeah, you should be in the repo, right? Did you get the invite? Yeah. It normally emails you. Yeah. So. Yeah, like I'm just gonna make the backend work first, and then we can both mess around with it. Yeah, right. So it's literally just a Express.js server. You pass in the text, and then it's gonna pass back the event info.
Right. So then the front end will be.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have right.
Yeah, you do. With great power comes great responsibility. Of course you do. Let's generate link. Okay. But yeah, it'll work in like 10 minutes. So. could work. OpenAI force JSON output. Nice.
Good question. Yeah, I don't have a natural one. Let me see. Let me see what that is.
Okay, so start. Start. Okay, perfect. So now I need to go to the other way is like more like that.
Are you hacking too? No. I am hacking, but I'm not on a calendar prototype. Yeah.
Actually, something that I was thinking about before I totally forgot about is that so when you like let's say I open up my phone calendar here. When I'm in my like dating view, no, usually I just use this. But like, so okay, when I'm in my dating, like drinking all the events, right? I just get over it. Then like when you go to the view, it still shows me all the events. But actually, most of the time this is really annoying because like I don't usually there's like 30 things, but then afterwards you're everything's hit. I think it'd be great if in view, but actually like
JSON is not a type
really
object.
important things from that like one. Also, just show me like
That's
one
strange.
that's really important for the month view.
Response
This
format.
like one of the reasons so important. So what if it actually like when you zoom out of the cover, it zooms out a lot?
I saw yesterday.
Yeah.
No. Does anyone use JSON? Does anyone use JSON mode before? JSON mode on OpenAI?
Important events in the last 30 days.
You're not getting correct results.
I'm getting a 400 error when I try to use JSON mode. Let's try just turning it off and see what happens.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, that seems to work. Okay. Nice. date time.
But then again, like that is also depending on if you do something once. Yeah, I guess so. But I guess like it makes sense for like Christmas and stuff.
Yeah, there's definitely a bit more work than the front end for me, but I think it's gonna work.
I actually think that the Nintendo is gonna be better too,
Okay, here. This is what the API looks like right now. So I just put in like generate link. Prompt is tea party at midnight.
Nice.
And then this is what it poops out. And then if I paste that in, hopefully tea party at mid. Oh.
The recurrence. I fixed the recurrence. I can give you my function.
Well, it got the description right, but it didn't put in the time. Or maybe it's just the time.
It's something with the encoding. The data encoding is a little
Yeah, so I did something. I messed up because I thought I made a TypeScript project, but I made a JavaScript project. So now I just have to like check all of the. Now I'm a bit loosey goosey with the types. I will push this. Yeah, I will push this crappy code. That was good. Okay, cool. So, oh yeah, I pushed it. Probably just mess around a little bit more. What are you working on now? Oh, really? Okay. Do you want to have a look at the dates, or should I fix that? Oh, really? Oh, really? Cool. In that case. I'll probably. I can put this. What? Yeah, it works. Like telling it what. There may be a better way in JSON mode. I mean, you can kind of do whatever you want, right? I think it might be better to use like an example. That might be better than to spec it with TypeScript.
It doesn't do like what's an email that's really short.
Should I put an example in instead? Yeah? I can do that. Okay. In its own what?
Text file.
Why?
Easier to read.
Mm,
Easier to spell.
I mean, it's just like a few sentences, but yeah. Oh, you mean like as like a constant or what? Or like as a
Yeah, read like a text file as a constant, just like as
as the read file. Yeah, but it's a template though. Like it has variables in it, so yeah. Like I see what you're getting at. Like if it,
string, just like multi-line
That'll work pretty well.
sure, yeah. I mean, it basically is. It just needs more line breaks.
Yeah.
It should just convert the line. You're very picky. I literally made this in 5 minutes.
Yeah. You're very fast. I haven't touched it, I can say that.
Well, now you know why.
Yeah.
When you see the code. um. So this is what it gives me for like an example. Would you use that? I mean, I would change the dates to strings because
Does guess work properly?
does what work?
Guess work properly.
Not sure. But no, I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Are you still editing stuff?
I think like this kind of and also like being a bar.
Okay. I mean, it may just be like, if we're both editing the same file, it might just be more work when we merge it. I'll just do, I'm gonna do some front end stuff for a few minutes while you're working on that. Yeah.
Like whether it's blocks or text, like I don't really do that, but like the spacing of it, like having being able to tell where the freeze is like.
Okay.
That's the one problem with like a flat system. I don't know.
Not this one.
Okay. Yeah.
You could even compress this like in an intelligent way.
Here. No, actually, you know what I'm doing? I'm gonna put it on Vercel.
Yeah, like also on indicator, you could just like almost write in like small text, like right? So you don't have to have the whole. Yeah. Maybe fit more information. Like block. Yeah.
There's a lot of noise.
Yeah, it can almost be like. Yeah.
Successfully expressed your essence. None.
Yeah.
Eh, no.
There should be a split setting.
Don't really need these. Wait, did I commit that?
No. But where'd you put it?
Where'd I put it?
Yeah.
On my machine. Why, you wanted to?
No, on the, it's not reading there.
Oh really? Mine is.
You know, where's the dot?
.env in, it's just in the root folder. It's just .env OpenAI API key equals, yeah, sure. Yeah, it's working fine for me, that part. Okay. Cool. Okay, I think we're going somewhere. I'm gonna grab some food. Do you want something?
Maybe we could just name something about it being like super.
What are you working on? Still changing the server. I feel the recurrence isn't okay. It's important, but it's probably okay. If it doesn't work, you can always fix it later.
Yeah, everything's not just pros and cons. I used to complain about my company back in the day. I just managed fintech product. But see, there's big changes, you know, with the market's changing. And regardless of timing,
Have you looked at the date part yet? Have you tested the dates? That's working?
It doesn't know what today is, though. It thinks it's 2021. You have to tell it.
Oh.
Like much more busier.
Yeah, no, I was thinking it could put in. It seems to be able to. Yeah, I'm not sure how you. Yeah, we can just put that. We can just put that in the prompt. Linting? I mean, feel free to just relint it. I don't care.
I mean, for us, it's just like interesting interaction models with.
Oh wait, one sec. No, yeah, just feel free to. There's nothing in this repo. Just put whatever you want.
Yeah, you want?
Yeah, just put in whatever. Yeah, just put in whatever you want and push whatever you have, and I'll fix the Yeah, actually, just push whatever you have so I can test.
I think it'll be very hard to activate. I think that's really good.
now's the time to kind of just make friends.
Here.
I use PNPM.
Oh, PM.
Yeah.
Oh,
I like
fancy boy. Okay.
We use PNPM too. PNPM is actually super fast. I like it. Plus it reduces
Okay.
my bundle load.
You pushed?
Yeah.
Awesome. There's no sandwiches left. Sorry, bro.
You go so hard and then you're out for like 4 days. Dude. Well, yeah, dude, it's my first time playing basketball. Like, that's a pretty quick turnaround for a pro. Yeah, that's fucked. When you told me like that's like after the energy. Yeah, like 3 weeks. That's really dude. I don't care about your health. I feel what's already there.
It's an attitude thing.
It's an attitude thing.
It is,
It's a
man.
mindset you ain't manifesting.
It is, man. Oh, I'm Ryan. Yeah, nice to meet you. Oh, no, you're fine.
You got something okay? Oh, that looks nice actually. That was better than. Nice. Okay. I just pushed the spec with the example instead of the TypeScript spec. Now I'm testing that. Okay. Let's see if that works for the dates. Yes, the dates are working. Awesome, nice man. Well, I mean, the server works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hook up my UI to it, make like a nice landing page. I tried deploying this on Vercel, but I don't know. Do we really want to deploy this? Do we want to?
If we don't deploy it, then
Yo, we should deploy it.
how would it work if we don't deploy it?
No, I mean it won't. It just won't work in. Yeah, we can't share it if we don't deploy it. Should I put some kind of rate limiting in the server then? Normally I like to do that if I deploy something.
Yeah.
What?
By account?
Oh, by
Email?
no, just by literally by IP. I would just that's how I normally because like it's just a. Otherwise people have to log in. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll just do that, and then we can deploy it. I couldn't get it to. Can you see if you can deploy it somewhere? I tried connecting with Vercel, and then I was getting like.
Used to ski more. I've been doing it for the past few years, but.
Oh, Vercel is like giving a redirecting or a 404 or something, so I'm not sure why. I don't normally host with Vercel. Render. Oh, I could just put on render. I don't know. Here, I'm gonna do the rate limiting.
Either of them serverless?
What?
Vercel or Render?
Vercel is serverless. Render is not.
Yeah.
Let's try Vercel.
I did try it. It didn't work. Yeah, you can try. No, that'd be really handy.
Really well, actually. They have a really nice counter. Yeah, no, really, really well. Our really nice startups are actually more long-term stalls. They were like startups that had security worries, like Series A. Much easier to sell to.
What do you know?
But also have it's on the board power. You can actually just like always the law firms.
Yo, my PNPM is really messed up, man.
They're willing to do like half a million contracts. So how many clients do you have? Right now we first. Yeah, that's cool. We for one of the only one that's close to like the actual ICT. Like the sales cycle for log is like 3 to 4 months. So it's yeah. I'm sure once you get them, it's like
What are you guys doing?
we're trying to.
Hey, do you know what this is? This is like what happens when I try and run PNPM.
Calendar that's driven by like natural language input. So like there's calendar apps already. Part of like natural language input for creating events. So that we're kind of thinking about like you can do everything from that. Like what kind of things is that on calendar? And so yeah.
I normally use Yarn or NPM.
Have you thought about what
Can you upgrade it? PNPM? I think you're not using the current version.
How?
How should you install it?
No idea.
Try NPM upgrade.
Gotta try this.
Take one server like
So do you know
Is that? Oh, but that what is that you're eating now? It looks like a
pizza?
yeah, some kind of dank pizza.
You know, to be honest, man, because I so much about
you guys are
Okay, pretty good here.
Exactly, yeah.
It's
I've heard
every morning was open.
It's like you have no idea what it's pulling.
It's
The removal part of these APIs.
Okay, cool.
I think the character is not cool.
It's a total left.
I mean,
But
there's
it's
like
pretty effective
emojis.
my
Even the calendar too. You know what I mean?
But if you're going through one
I think
document,
it's really boring. Like just that.
it's usually going to take that. If you're just basically
It definitely is more. We're trying to search over like 10 million. You know, it's like heavy.
yeah, you do that.
Yeah, you like personalize it. Yeah, my experience has been like, yeah, there's useful with like
I have no trust in the answer. I was talking about two one thing I would love though is, for example, I'm using fantasy. And I still don't even trust it because like I'm looking at the source here, like I got all the source and see who's specifically saying this, right?
Nice. Rate limiting is working.
You fixed it? PNPM?
No, I use yarn.
Nice.
But rate limiting works.
Did you commit it?
Yeah, okay, now we can safely deploy.
It depends on exactly. Well, it's not even just medicine. It's also like exactly. So like in that context, I was asking about scientific benefits, right? I feel like if I was trying to do for example, I did something where it's like, oh, right, they had the description.
How do you know rate limiting works?
I decreased the I decreased the allowance and then I tested it. Right now it's set to 100 requests in 15 minutes, which is variable. Yeah, like I just decreased the allowance and then I spammed it. Yeah.
There was like a law in New York, I think two like lawyers. Exactly. And they got paid. Yeah. Did they get this hard? I don't know if they got this hard, but I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah. They did. Because they're trying to make an example so it doesn't happen. Yeah.
So let me for example, I was telling it's interesting you said that last time. But anyways, like law, for example, like. Well, I think it's a different case, right? Like, for example, something like, so for example,
I'm just,
question, right? Very curious about, okay, what is the
I'm going to upgrade the backend so it gives a little bit more output. So it'll keep the same, but it might add some more links for other providers. And then front end.
And this is what
Almost done.
You can actually pull from the Income Tax Act of Canada with a specific place.
How many people do you think will finish?
Yeah, like a citation.
Yeah.
Maybe one's going to be.
And then the thing about the science, a lot of this people, right? There's a lot of
Okay, so
what I would like though is if I'm asking, okay, what are the benefits? Okay, so for each faster, does consuming an energy drink, a zero-calorie energy drink, break down things? Apparently, like the science is divided on whether there's a thing called autophagy. There's like a process called autophagy. They say like any sort of consumption outside of water will black content will reduce autophagy. So this is like cellular autophagy is like cell repair.
You can black box it. Yeah, you don't have to.
Yeah. So anyways, it was just like a specific kind of like biological mechanism. So like, the community's divided on it. But I would have loved to see, like, I'm like trying to talk about it. This is me first. I think I'm a little bit hardcore so compared to the I don't know, right? But whenever it comes to this, I would have liked to see, okay, what's the specific, who are the authors? What's the H index of these scientific authors? How renowned are they? Where do they go? Where are the professors at right now? Right? What are the schools that they're affiliated with? Right?
So it's not just like someone said this and someone written it sometime. It's like who said it? What's their credibility?
Exactly. And the credibility, and that's what's most important. For example, if ChatGPT says, "Hey, actually, fascinating XYZ," I'm like, I can't even believe I don't know what the trust I did. But if they say that each benefit, according to Andrew Huberman, who is the professor of neurobiology,
This one gets like so much training. Who you determine There are any domain you have experts that are going. There are citations.
Exactly.
Probably be kind of complex.
fine, but that's the thing. Like you said, they go head to head. But I would like to have seen, okay, because then I can actually go and say, okay, look, they play Alexander Huberman. This is what he says. And
I
for
think
example,
this
now,
level of sophistication though is like a little ways out.
I think, yeah.
No, dude, but I do. I think that like, it depends on the domain and the audience and the address. Because like even if it's like if what are the consequences of a wrong decision taken seriously, or like a wrong outcome taken seriously? Like that, I think that exactly, and that's I think that like when you're building one of these systems, it's like ultimately like that is like if you're building in healthcare and medicine.
Well, it's not even just
rationale or why ChatGPT uses to answer like a lot of subjects, right? Because on the end, it's play it safe, and there are a lot of
There's
where
a
like,
liability.
where they're like, and you see it more and more now. Like I remember back in like ChatGPT first came out, you could ask me any question about taxes, whatever, and it would just like give you an answer. Now if you ask, it's like, well, listen, I'm not a tax professional, and I'm actually not even gonna try. Right?
So let me tell you, I would say most of the use cases outside of education,
I'm just gonna make a blank
and answer questions. I would say most of the use cases in GPT is B2B use cases. Most people, I'd say, people working at well, just
I don't know. I think there's some I think there's interesting scalability for like mental health and whatnot.
I would say majority of the current use case right now. I'm not saying that. Yeah, of course, in the future. But I would say most people, right? I think like I would say outside of education, I would say most of it's B2B use case, right? If you think about it,
we just really need
like look at this.
software. We just need an output for like a weekly summary.
If though, they can say, let's like lawyers, let's talk about this, right? There's different medical techniques and there's different, ways to go about given, certain information. If there was citation to another medical professional, then yes, if I am a new medical professional and I see that this medical professional said this, I'd be more willing to actually listen to GPT and implement. Because I'm risking my career, but I'm risking my career based on somebody that already has credibility, he's already established.
Which is essentially the old workflow.
Exactly.
Like
I mean,
that's the
that's
original workflow.
it is the original workflow, and I think it's actually, like it's better to, like I think what it is like it just solves the problem of confidence. Like, actually, I don't any of the facts that I actually rely on from GPT. Like I use GPT as a directional thing. I don't use it as like the right. Like I don't use it as this is where the treasure is. I use it to direct me towards the treasure. Right. So that's really what I use it for. And I like to kind of verify that information. It's like a fact based.
Maybe there's
And then how does it go about it? Yeah, I can research like complexity data set. And like, fuck, I don't even want to use perplexity to sources of shit. Right? So,
honestly, my primary use case is just like a virtual assistant. Give the fucking easy.
Okay, why don't we just start? Yeah, why don't we start?
Reformatting.
Why don't we start with
I just have this repetitive process of taking some information and then structuring it into some format. Let's just for application.
I use the same one. I also use it for like React.
All right, I haven't tested, but I just put all these fields in output. It's like title, start time, and then links for Apple Calendar, Outlook, and Yahoo.
Oh, it's the same format?
No, no. I created new functions for all of them, but we'll see when we test.
It's relatively
Yeah.
low so long as you're not dealing with copy-paste likely to be solution that like could leave you wide open.
I think coding especially does look how niche is what you're working on, right? Like if you're working on niche, it just won't be helpful at all.
No, you're right.
So if you're working on something pretty basic where it's like there's some basic standardized process that like you've done a million times and like you just don't want to have to write out.
This is 95% of my use case.
exactly. It's like you start at the React component and like do it as it says and make it a pretty like quick one that uses this form library.
Yeah, it's like it checks.
Now you have that component in motion, and then you just kind of change the placeholders.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, exactly. So yeah, like, there's like, definitely I think, yeah. For me, I think it's just like this fact. Like, even then you're not like
copy and paste it, you say, oh man, like those lawyers, they definitely like it should be directional, not they don't trust it, and they shouldn't. Because I think it would be a horrible
So we can build on.
I think it is helpful though.
Okay, we can upload that file.
Just search, right? As opposed to having to go through and read what's
Yeah.
private.
There's no API, it's just one file, and you can ask it to like summarize my whole life.
And we were just talking about like
Give you all their
So
documentation.
all they need to do
well,
is like
dude, they have
figure out
these
ICS
law firms have databases
that will be input to our chatbot.
of both their own internal past cases, but also boilerplate documents.
Okay, so
like the same way you would have coding conventions, they have contract conventions. It makes it easier to slot lawyers in onto a
Ah.
so okay, in terms of like
Cool.
and so it's like
Yeah.
where's the contract for San Francisco?
Okay. Okay. Nice. So you can do the same for yours. Nice.
Yeah, right? That's fun. An afternoon party to enjoy delicious pizza.
And then we
Anyhow, so all that to
figure
say
out
that
what is the
if you
ICS
can like speed up the loop of these like
it's like a
these common repetitive workflows where the cost
I actually made a chatbot like so on
lowest is
okay, great.
possible.
Let's just use
Like
that.
that's a good
How many employees does that put?
Yeah, we
Uh,
want to like
it's
modify the
honestly
UI.
just
I mean, yeah, we can do a lot, but like somehow you need to
I don't
figure out
know.
ICS and then convert it.
When you guys are-
Like, or how do you want?
Yeah, I think though like, we don't want it to be like
I went full time on this in July. beginning of
We
July.
just need a.
No, you're fine. It's
Yeah.
like
But like I don't think we want the UI to look like
Yeah, any thoughts on deploying?
because
like
so to tell you the truth, like
it's really the main view.
I'm gonna post code extension, so it's gonna be.
that being said,
Yeah.
I mean, back.
Yeah.
these law firms.
Yeah, I'll try
So
this out.
the big contracts and the
Okay.
the services arm of
Is that also true?
yeah, so got it. So like low key one push another week so we can like make sure it's
Are you like planning on watching?
that would be like a 5 so it's like you've got sort of these like smaller
You got, yeah, it's power, like you optimize.
We're trying to like build like a
yeah, so it's like you essentially get like people using the app, you iron out the bugs, like they're like fairly low contract values, so don't necessarily like lose sleep over
see
like
what happens.
it going too wrong. I mean, obviously you want to go well,
So for like the default version, like
where you
I think we would put something like this where like you have a text box of like where you can and stuff, but the main view isn't like a chat view.
yeah,
The main view would just show like their daily lives per day. And then like when you type something in,
the
it's basically
financial services.
So it's not gonna be like a chat.
We haven't signed the word yet.
It's more like there's just one piece of UI here and then there's basically the
But even that would be like kind of cheap.
Okay, but like there's so many things that I like. So let's say like, I don't have you know, I come to this app but then I
Build mobile app.
so I drop my right? And then somehow this chatbot application itself what it is and then have like interactive that changes.
Oh, dude, you're getting people right in the sweet spot of like
Yeah, we only built it account for like all the general cases. I think I forgot the exact
Yeah, no, I mean, for me, like, getting the ICS file into that upload, then passing it, and then creating the view is not design.
Yes.
But then when you type a message, and then how the view changes,
Oh, okay, so like, I'm imagining, so even this thing,
We're at like.
it seems you guys like,
yeah,
do you guys
yeah, that's a good question.
there was an app I used to use
I can build the backend for it, I can build it app, and then we can build it together.
like they had credit that you could earn by rating other people
Yeah, absolutely. We could absolutely do that route. Honestly, Mark thought about. It really depends, like, so, right now, it's just kind of like one step at a time. What next feature makes the most sense to that goal. And then it is important to have like a long-term vision. Sure. But like, yeah, right now we're kind of looking at what makes the most sense.
Pretty decent consistency with the face prior to like
I like that.
yeah, it's kind of like Henry Cavill like on our face.
Well, he's good. He's good.
What's their like? What's their like? Who is it like? Yeah.
But I want to know what I can do on that side. So if you have any like elegant functionality, ICS parsing, I mean, I'm imagining all
Yeah,
this.
mainly first thing, ICS parsing is probably the most important thing. to start with.
What is
I do that. That's pretty good.
so I signed up for the app.
Yeah, you take care of the UI.
Yeah,
You all my
you download it and then you do it now.
You can write it as like
You don't even need open.
And the issue is right now we don't have any stickier features, so that's what we're building
Yeah.
now. Like routine.
Mixture.
Yeah, I was wondering.
you're right. It's like probably write it as
You could be like.
Yeah, the question is like how much is that gonna make us or even
It can be all native.
right now we're making like
Yeah, we're like per credit.
however you
Coaching staff is not.
we have both individual and
yeah, like
subscription retention is not though. Which because we're just kind of like features right now.
So people see
these guys like
pictures and then like go off.
just like you just get
So
to
like
like
your
your
like I want to go off and do.
Yeah, we're like the place where, you know, we come back to like track the progress.
Do you have like
Not really.
yeah, you just need to run a book.
I built it in like 1 month. We launched 2
Oh
months.
dude, you don't have to just. What you've done.
Thank you very much. Sorry, what's your name?
Ryan, this will
Ryan. Pleasure to meet you, man.
Yeah, but then I have the together API credits, $125.
Yeah, use whatever you want.
So I made the GitHub repo. It's not like
He's still good.
I will just put together this thing.
the Brady's asking around crying here. Can you send the data back?
My GitHub handle is just RONITHK.
Does anybody test it? If you want any special kind of test it to like kind of cross off the box of it?
Yeah,
I can
go
do it that
to
way.
together API. Then like yeah, just
Okay, I added my handle to the GitHub handle.
These guys, they're actually like coding something different, like to make it easy.
go back and just other people refresh it. all APIs. So they're hosted on their
Dr.
server.
Daniel Marlowe.
Yeah.
Oh, I know my professor. Marlo, yeah. I took a intro to physics from him.
Even with the training in a different model to run the review, you can't submit text to it. So you need like there are two models. One is vision model and one is non-vision model. There's the chat and all it automatically knows what you're trying to do. I don't know if that makes sense, but together has a vision model. It's like different. I'm telling you. I'm like running a whole company on top of this. It's like a mixture of experts. Like eight experts and 7 billion parameters.
What? I said, you guys are very for 5 day trips in New York City. The first thing you do is check your hotel. Because it's
What's up, bro? In the playground? Yep. But we may not be able to have that.
So on the GitHub, I have a link to my counter file, so we can use that as a reference. We can just like put that in hard code.
It works when you're in the
So you're building like a macOS interface.
Yeah.
In the backend, you want this script where you can push the ICS file and it just does the magic. And and spits out the output item.
But we don't even have to push the ICS file. You can just keep that in the background hard code there.
No, bro, I have figured out how to pass it.
Okay, yeah, but like you can just like I gave you the file for my calendar. Then for the demo you can just like keep it.
Yeah, but then for the app, like let me tell you what I feel we should be doing. You have the interface, you have like one thing, welcome, like drop your calendar, like boom, like whatever high energy stuff. It's almost like a I don't know if you've seen like Notion or like a master. Yeah. Then you drop the file and then like some seconds it takes to pass it and load it. And then your interface pops up. And you can just say like change today to like Boxing Day and then I can like change it. Sure, okay. So but then front end is obsolete. I'm just on the back end, I have the whole like chatbot ready.
Okay, so
For the demo, we just like instead of waiting 2 seconds.
oh really?
You look cute today. Did something change?
It's new. I've been growing it.
Oh yeah.
Facial hair.
Do you want me to create a post here and stuff?
We're running some viruses. Have a seat. Have a
I need to
seat.
be able to communicate with
How's it
someone
going?
on my app.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I guess like that's.
Wow. I guess I'll just never go somewhere and not see somebody that I know. I guess that experience is like.
This is Marcus.
Hey, Marcus.
So this is Robert. Marcus and I were supposed to meet up this week, and then we joined teams for the hackathon without knowing that we knew each other already.
Oh, word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool. Wait, so you joined the same team for the hackathon?
No, I mean we were just working together.
Oh, okay, cool.
But yeah, we also had a plan later this week, but we didn't recognize each other.
Sick.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
It's like,
How do you guys know her?
How do we know each other? What's the order?
From Hack Night.
Hack Night.
Hack Night, baby.
Yeah.
Okay.
Commons.
They have a hack night? Where?
And ATR house. It's actually on Thursday night if you want to come.
yeah, it is a macro time.
This Thursday.
Yeah.
This Thursday, the 15th.
This Thursday, Hillsborough.
No, just right here.
It's
At the Commons.
At the Commons.
Like, this is.
Yeah.
I'm in LA next week, but is it every week? Can I
Every
come the
two.
week after?
Every 2 Thursdays.
Because there are a lot of things happening here.
Yeah.
Like, right?
Yeah, I can send you the invite.
No, I don't need anything. Like, this is just a run.
What are you working on?
So we have the same back end, but two different front ends.
Oh, really?
And the back end is, well, so this is, so come up with a cool idea for a party,
For a party?
maybe a hack night.
Cats committing tax fraud.
Cats committing tax fraud in the night.
In the night, yeah. Like under full moon and only.
So, then it just created an event. That's basically all it does.
Oh,
But-
sick.
So you have this, and then here you can like add it to your Google Calendar.
That's awesome.
But,
Does it do images? Can we get a cats howling at the moon?
I should prompt it to always add the description text as well, because that's really funny when it does that.
That's
You know.
nice. Yeah.
Okay, I can.
But here, let me do that actually. So like,
Like, this is what I would kind of imagine as a flow. It's
Yeah,
like
a
first,
Dolly image would really
like,
make that
7
sing.
SNS flyers. And you just, like, keep that
what do you
in
think
your-
about the
Oh, I see,
UI?
I see.
I want to change this to something, but
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, you send the ICS
yeah,
file,
should
you
it
just,
be
like,
more?
keep
It feels like it
in
needs
the
more
range,
something.
like, variable.
You can edit Python code, right?
I think it's good. I don't understand this button.
This is go back to here.
But if you create
Oh,
a
okay.
Yeah.
It's like a go back.
I was thinking like put like maybe a little back arrow.
Yeah, I think just like top right, top left, back arrow.
But I know what you're talking about.
But yeah, dude,
And my thing is almost.
Dolly image would be sick.
Yeah,
Can you add a
actually,
Dolly image to a calendar that?
see,
Maybe not a calendar event.
is it at 6 p.m.? It's at 7, isn't it?
I think we should probably like mischief at midnight, right? Oh, that's hack night.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Wait, what's the shortened URL to?
Well, eventually I want it to be like a tiny URL where it
Yeah.
just brings you right to this.
Oh, okay, nice.
But I don't think I'm gonna do that
Yeah,
today.
I'm going to
Yeah.
send that to.
Ugh, it's so much work.
What's the context of this hackathon? Oh, it's Google Calendar.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I think so.
It'd be
check out
cool.
this
Huh.
function.
Does
In the
Partyful have an API?
Just can like take.
I don't think so.
Do you have the abbreviation problem? Because I was running into that yesterday.
What? Oh, where it?
Clobbering old updates with new updates.
If the code gets long enough, I think it will always happen.
Yeah, it started happening to me.
How
I did-
long was your code?
It was only like 150 lines. Classic. Perfect. Ship it.
No, it's just stupid. The back button is just a little bit stupid. Don't laugh at my back button.
I want to do iterations with diffs
Yeah.
instead of rewrites.
But so, I don't run into that problem a lot, but I think
What, you think you're better than me?
I think my prompt is maybe just like very, very mean.
Oh really? Whoa.
But then the other thing is once you start getting to like 200 lines or more, like it's just not very fun anymore. So I don't really normally develop apps that are longer than that.
Yeah, that's basically the time to stop.
And our philosophy is like break into files, but we're not even really good at that yet. So, but my thought is that maybe for this, what you could do is just an idea. Like you could, rather than trying to get it not to abbreviate, you could say when you abbreviate, always abbreviate in whatever this fashion, and then
do a follow-up.
and then I was just gonna say, or just then detect these and then fill in from the last one.
Oh right.
Using just like a merge.
But how would you know exactly what that reference is?
Like you would
What
just
block of code it references from the previous generation?
you would have to do sort of like a git like merge of the previous and the next.
I'm not sure I understand.
So like,
Because it's like if it let's say for example it was like shortened link section same as before. But all it said was like same as before.
Right.
How would you know it's the shortened link section that's missing that you should plug in there?
Just based off what's before and what's after it.
Would you do that deterministically or ask GPT to fill it in?
So right now, I'm doing something that's really basic, where I mark these as the new stuff as green, right?
Sure. Right.
And that's just using a line by line, like an algorithm I wrote that just goes line by line through the two ones and
If
sees
it
which
says
one.
it's in there or if it's in the last one.
Yeah. So you could do something similar, right?
Or you would basically go through and be like, is this line of code in the new one?
Exactly. Or you could do like git merge in JavaScript or to text files, like to text. Like someone must have come up with something. Someone must have come up with something to do that, to merge.
Because imagine a situation where it changed the lines of code immediately preceding this.
Yeah.
And so, let's say it made this pink.
Right.
Right? And then it's like, switch the order. So now these lines of code aren't in the prior one.
Yes.
And this is in the prior one, but it's not in the new one. But then it looks at the old code and all of this is not in the new one.
Yeah.
So how would it know which code to bring in?
Right. It's not it's not a perfectly solved, like it's non-trivial, cannot perfectly be solved.
Yeah.
However, I do think this will work, like my guess is this will work more than 90% of the time. That's my thought.
Okay.
I never tried it.
Yeah, I wonder. I'm still curious.
Because
Maybe we talk later about that.
because resolving conflicts works in Git, people are able to do it.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Merging in changes that get clobbered. In GPT
Code,
iterations.
yeah.
If it abbreviates a section of code, how do you know which code from the previous generation to bring into the new to fill in that abbreviation? Like GPT will get lazy after like 150 lines of code and omit it for brevity.
Like,
right?
I would actually be down to just like try this out with you if you wanted to.
Yeah, let's do it.
I mean, not like right now. But.
All right. All right. I'm writing it down.
Yeah. Let's do it. I got VS Code for mobile. Do you not have that yet?
Do a lot of like
Yeah.
what you were talking about.
So you're telling me
I'm not sure.
No, the
I
first.
select an area and then I say change this
but
and
like
then
what
I might like
story
this.
do you want a story?
It does it, but sometimes it replaces your code with like npm install.
Simplest thing is just like description participants.
Like it's good. They're good. Cursor's probably the best, I think, but it's far from perfect.
That's cool. James, I had on my list last week, find a way for me and James to collaborate on something.
Dude,
So,
that's awesome.
but like something technical. So this is good.
And
We're
was
already gonna do
was
podcasts.
was moving into an office across the hall from me the first step in that?
It was gonna be like find you in all the mansions that you're working in.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Okay, I want won't distract you from your hack.
Well, we're pretty much finished.
Really? Damn.
Yeah. Is everyone else finished?
It's done at 3.
What?
It's done at 3.
I mean, we're.
Sounds like you have time for dolly images.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. I did. It's gonna add so much latency.
It does. It takes
Yeah, it's
wow.
so much latency. But real question is,
Can you do it?
can you do that in Google Calendar?
Oh, in Google Calendar? No, I don't think. I'm not sure if you can add an image.
No, but we can just do it. No, well, you should be able to. You can add links, so we could add a link.
Oh, you
to
can
the
add an
image.
attachment. I wonder if you can you attach an image? I have an attached image.
Where? Where's that?
It's right there.
Oh.
Clippy. I really like what you do with the green lines are new.
Oh, thanks. It's actually really buggy, but you just hardly notice it.
It's so helpful to be like, oh, this stuff is new. Because like even as I was iterating, it's like, man, I gotta like grok this whole code just to gauge what's different. Because I don't even want to look at the code as long as it works, you know?
Yeah.
It's a philosophical question, like.
And
Thank
a lot
you.
of times if it doesn't work, I don't want to use it at all. Right, I just start over. Just like the times where I really need to look at the code, but grok and being able to tell like what's new is super helpful.
Thanks.
Yeah, that was fun to see the Friday demos.
Right? Yeah, I'm really glad you got to come. I mean, of course you can pretty much come in Friday if you want.
I kind of get it a little bit more now.
Yeah.
And you know what's funny?
What?
Two of those people I saw on Twitter last week.
You saw them on Twitter.
I saw them on Twitter.
Oh, yeah. I guess it's kind of like a Twitter mafia thing.
Yeah, it was Dev and Adele. I saw both of their tweets.
Wow.
And then they went on stage and talked about those tweets. I was being like, this was one of my key things that I did this week.
Dude, why do you think that is? Is it just like a network thing? Like,
why did I see them?
Like,
I don't know, it made Twitter feel much smaller than
yeah.
it seemed like before. I guess it's a network thing, like why did I see them? I mean the dev post went like properly viral, so.
Yeah, it's funny, because there's like actually like 800,000 people in the South, but we just see the same 100 people over and over again.
That's a vast overestimation. There's actually only 37 people in San Francisco.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, that's fake news.
Are you good with, do you know what would be the tailwind to like make this, for this? What would I search to get?
Wait, what do you want?
Like, I want this white to be a different color.
Oh, the borders on inputs are super janky and annoying.
Oh, shit. I was trying this, but it didn't do anything.
Yeah, I think it's like an accessibility thing.
Uh,
It might be like some default. I'm not sure.
Thanks. Yeah, no, that actually makes sense. One time for a contract thing I was doing, I had to change the scroll bar.
Okay.
On a div, like the scroll bar style on a div, it ended up taking me like 6 hours.
Really?
Just like, well, I just gave up after a few hours, but it's like, you know, it's like.
Like I still have to Google like how to center a div, you know? It's not Google, obviously. ChatGPT, but it's like, literally my product builds user interfaces, centering a div.
Well, there are 17 ways to do it.
There's different cases. How do you do it in a grid compared to a foot?
Yeah.
Margin auto doesn't always work.
No.
Oh, there is a network issue. How do I get onto this hacker Wi-Fi?
Check that out in the whiteboard. close the gap.
This is what is printed out. Move it up. I didn't give it any problem, sorry. Secret engineer.
Very good.
Aww. Aww. Phoenix, Page, Perry, Payson, Pearl. You have all of them?
Yeah, that would be a lot.
Wow.
It would be 7 cats
Yeah.
for a studio apartment.
Whatever you do, don't put them on the windowsill. That's what I learned.
Phoenix! Rise from the ashes.
Ben South. I've noticed you have an event called Meet Kelly and Meet Ben South. But there's no specific end times for these events. It's like suggesting you kind of fuck down your event. So sorry.
Like, unless we had like a funny event I didn't accept. Is that why?
And in 3.8 seconds, it like advised you to fix your calendar.
Which what is the problem that I just didn't accept the invite?
No, you had events, but they had no end date.
No, they had it. Like, that must be a bug.
Can't have a.
Because like, how do you create a calendar event that way?
I also am surprised, but it says that I noticed that you had an event called Meet Kaden and Meet Ben South on February 5th and 7th, but there are no specific start and end times of these events.
No, they do have that.
They have start and end both.
Yeah. They do on my
I think it's not intelligent enough that it cannot pass things. I don't know. I need to see what the problem is.
That's problematic. Doesn't know that it ends. Oh, it's over.
There's one flaw with this approach is that we're a lot better as well.
Oh, yeah. Right. Right about that.
Yeah, I think the best thing is I use Mistral to create that text. So it
Yeah, you could highlight the little event point by the time you do it. That's complex event.
There's stuff that's not
just start trying to get into Excel.
Okay, 1 second.
It's just like past the stairs to the right.
Okay, nice.
Mm. Works for me. Hey, were we able to deploy anything?
Oh, sorry, I'm working on
Hmm.
the Chrome extension that I
I know. Yeah. It's fucked, man.
Can we try
A lot of reload and refresh.
Yes. Can you try
Render. Yeah, I can put it on render. It'll take me 10 minutes. Vercel, I have so much issues with Vercel sometimes. Do you use React for your Chrome extensions? Nice.
Okay.
figure it's better for like UI stuff?
Sure, yeah.
But did you start making a server yet, or?
No,
Okay, I can. I'll start making that.
so I already pushed my code.
Oh, you did?
It's in the task. And my itinerary will be in a markdown format, which you can just display easily.
It's like a, is it yours?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see.
That's on purpose, so. Yeah,
And
someone to keep on it again.
Yeah, I see. Great.
It's all good, it's all good.
Add to
obviously,
calendar.
like,
Yeah.
Cool.
includes the events of creators. It seems like all your events are like very deep, like you don't, I mean,
Yeah.
it's not like this, like, from the online.
Yeah.
Maybe we have a fake calendar.
So we can do, so this is the format right now.
Yeah.
So you might want to mess around with the prompt and see like what format we have to work with.
This is how it goes. I mean, I can remove the markdown thing and it will still give like a better output.
Or maybe what's better than copying that is copying the actual prompt and just get it. That's something called.
Prompts interface with that.
Oh,
Just play with prompt. This starts at.
yeah, let me just add.
I will remove the markdown, it's not working very well.
Square.
Also make it fun.
What's that event that we go drive? We go drive, yes. I went to the first one.
Oh, yeah.
It's free, right?
6 people?
What?
To finish it.
It was like, it was big. It was
What's free?
3 p.m.
Oh yeah, yeah. These are three. Yeah.
Okay, I pushed with the new thing. I think it's best that I do it down. You can see the code, you can see the prompt.
Just a couple tweaks, but yeah, it's going pretty. Some details.
B, 190, then E. Yeah.
JSON mode?
Yes.
This is weird. If I do this, I get an error saying error 400. JSON is not an object.
Yes. So, it's a particular. Let me see exactly. I literally did this yesterday.
Nice.
Context. So what you want is response format type JSON.
Really interesting. I wonder if they changed their spec.
Yeah. So it's funny is also the DALL-E API documentation is inaccurate as well.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Yeah.
I never would have.
And you know what my favorite part of the OpenAI documentation is?
What?
I'll show you in just a second. Always instruct the model to produce JSON via some message in the conversation. For example, if you don't, the model may generate an unending stream of white space, and it may continuously run until it reaches the token limit.
That's good.
Isn't that
That's
so
about.
funny?
I'd say that's about.
Isn't that crazy? It's like if you don't include this word in the prompt, it may just send you an unending stream of white space.
Wow.
Earlier for the
Until it hits the token
yeah,
limit.
yeah. I think it messaged it to
It's like, your product does not have to be perfect to ship. That's what I'm hearing.
What I'm hearing is 100 years from now, we'll always have to say like, please and thank you, and please don't kill me every time we talk to a computer. Just in case, you know?
They're going to remember your assistant prompts.
By the way, this is what I'm getting now. Did I copy it wrong? Did I take something wrong?
It's not for this model. What model are you doing?
Oh, this is 3.5. Oh, this is only for 4.
3.5 turbo. JSON mode.
Wait, did
model,
it?
yeah, I think you have to do.
I have to do that specific one?
Probably.
Oh, 125?
Everything is available for all models. I did it with GPT-4.
It's next to Source first.
Oh, okay, that works fine. Okay.
Oh, the bed house. Oh,
Is that funny?
Yeah. Okay.
Mine doesn't have those
I've heard of
options.
orange. Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah, that's good because first it was working without JSON mode until I told it to make an event to call mom.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then it's going, I'm sorry, I can't call your mom. Yeah.
What's your API though?
So that should work now.
I heard general.
I've never been there.
So this is a little bit of a not really cool, but I think it's in public hours. It's not
Probably.
So there's a few tournaments.
Whoa.
I wish I could see.
Do you guys work there?
I'm spending
That's pretty sick. Yeah, if I had this. Oh,
Yeah, you know what?
I
also use it.
Is this like a new
My agents, before this is probably called
Someone who's getting good potential calls.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Under the cover of darkness.
Add to Google Calendar.
Dave, the guy from Zero, if you can ask him. He might be hard to call. Yeah, no, he's incredible. My friend Julie and Jade and Michael
do something, it should be last
so you want
a
that?
long time. Like a day.
I saw it.
What's the crowd like? What's the crowd?
I'm just like going back to this movie, like, I fucking can't do recursion. It's like, the thing I could never pass. Oh yeah, for sure. This is like,
Ooh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes. That's gonna, according to Alex, you gotta invite more women than men to get this. This man knows.
What's up?
I'm trying to host a party where there will be women.
Nah. You want it? I'll do it now.
It's one of the most complicated problems.
Dashboard.
This is the millennium problem.
Webs.
Hey, did I tell you about the particle agent I wrote? Basically, it looks at your particle.
What is this gonna cost me?
Have you hosted Snakes?
So you use GPT to like infer the gender of your identity.
Yeah, we have espresso.
Yeah.
Poker tables.
Speaking of
They play poker like crazy. Serious games.
Yeah.
Wow.
They go
Your roommate.
into Marcus saw my demo yesterday.
I don't play a lot of poker. I don't play poker much.
How do you know?
Wait, that's from one demo?
That's from yesterday.
Whoa, what did you make?
I made
Better be some solid gold shit.
It's super cool. It's so silly.
Oh, no way.
It just listens. I built this. It's a web UI. It just listens to your conversation, does a transcript, pulls up relevant context, recommends questions, and does Dolly images based on what you're talking about. So it just like live listens to whatever's happening.
Wow, cool.
And so I like to use it with ChatGPT Voice. And because like ChatGPT Voice just gives you this black box, and this gives you like your information dashboard for that conversation.
Yeah. Are they connected at all?
No, it just listens.
Oh, you're using Whisper or something.
Deepgram.
Deepgram.
Yeah, and it's like a 40% out of 100 grade.
Oh.
The transcript is not very good.
Oh.
But it works.
That's so cool.
These will update every like 20 seconds or so.
That's
basically what I had.
Yeah, I saw this yesterday.
Well, yeah, exactly. Yeah, but this, what I was showing James is this. I looked at my opening eyes. Did I?
So the idea is right.
Because it turns out if you create 3 new images every 10 seconds, the bill adds up pretty crazy. We're not going to be creating videos with Dolly very soon. Or else it's going to be like $1,000 video.
But I actually need to implement the calendar features in Nice.
Oh yeah?
So, yes. It's not, we're not using it in SF, but it's for Bubble. And like,
Bubble.
yeah, it's like, I am like events host.
Oh, that's why you're hosting events.
Yeah, but not necessarily. I would host it on Party for really.
You wouldn't host it on your own app.
No, because it's like a different thing. Most of all the things going on in my app are like these ticketed events that you pay to attend. Yeah. I could make it like this soft launch.
Like this?
That would be better than this.
It's what?
EOBB, no?
E-O.
Like bubble without the E.
Oh.
What's your last name? Low.
Yeah, I was like Dice. There's also that's like a social networking one. That's Radiate.
Well, I don't like that. It's like Dice. You have this shopping on different brands. Building relationships with people. On Dice, like, they're not allowing you this. You're already connected. Like, on Bowl, anyone can start their event and go to the we took a photo and they more like introvert. guy.
Oh, yeah, let me see. I have your.
Twitter, no?
Yeah, yeah, I can also see you. It's so satisfying. Yeah. I'm easy to reach on Twitter as well. I just like started like time limiting myself. Like the parental controls on my phone.
I mean, that's good. I've
Tragic.
done that before.
It's so tragic.
That's valid.
Child.
I actually have that on. Like,
Oh, you have it?
yeah, it shows me the screen always like, hey, you know.
What's your time though? What do you set it
I
as?
set it at like 15, but I always see
Oh, yeah,
ignore.
15 minutes.
Or 20, 30. I have no idea. It always shows up early and I just ignore it.
Oh,
Cool.
wow, wow. I have like an hour and a half.
Oh man, this would be good for the podcast as well. You're doing so much cool shit.
I was thinking about talking about it on the podcast.
Dude, you have to demo on the podcast.
I know.
Can you?
I think so. Like, this series of steps
I don't really scroll like Insta or whatever. I just use it for like.
took like 2 tries for it to work.
I'm not like addicted to a feed. I'm not
So it,
addicted to
you know, almost worked the first time.
I think it's Reddit. Too much.
Yeah. But the Vision Pro is really fun.
Oh, there's this. I think it's like a room in the back of the library.
I'm really fine for it, but this one.
Yeah.
I have seen it, but I didn't know.
Or it's like one room.
I didn't see it. I can't.
Hmm.
It's at his dentist place.
Lots.
It's his warehouse.
Hmm. Okay, I think yes.
What was your last name actually? Oh, it depends. It changes. Yeah, if you can't see the address, let me just screenshot this.
Oh,
It's like open.
crap.
Like, so do you live in that stuff like the whole time?
Yeah, I've been here for 4 months.
Okay.
And that's good. Yeah, I do have like, I like leaving 2 months and be back because of my own wife visa. But I'm here.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Wait.
Actually, we met in Barcelona. We met in Barcelona.
Oh, yeah, we went to Barcelona.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like not last year, the year before.
It's crazy to think about.
Yeah, he was living in some summer Hackerbowl, and I was traveling.
Oh,
I travel. Oh wow, every summer.
It's so weird, 'cause, like, we were like always in the same place at different. Like, we both lived in Atlanta. We both in Barcelona.
Right, yeah. You live all your youth in Atlanta, right? You grew up in Atlanta?
Yeah,
Right.
lived there for a long time.
Yeah. I went to school.
No way.
Well, he's from a little small town around.
Nobody goes in that.
Well, yeah. He's